Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hobby Farms magazine is probably one of the most valuable resources for aspiring and current hobby farmers, offering a treasure trove of practical advice, inspiring stories, and essential information to help you cultivate your land, nurture your livestock, and enjoy the fulfilling lifestyle of a hobby farm. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, this magazine provides expert guidance on various aspects of hobby farming, from crop planning and animal husbandry to sustainable practices and farm management. Number 5. Backyard Homestead. It's a dream for many, to grow your own food and reduce reliance on grocery stores. This is entirely possible, even in a small space. It's a revolutionary system that makes growing your own food easier than ever before. Learn how to maximize your yield in a small area. It's amazing what you can grow on just a quarter acre of land. With the right techniques, it can provide a significant portion of your family's food needs. It's more than just food, it's a connection to nature and a sustainable way of life. Experience the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown produce. It's time to take control of your food source and live a more self-sufficient life. Begin your journey towards a bountiful backyard harvest. Discover the secrets to maximizing your yield and creating a thriving backyard ecosystem. Visit our website to learn more. What we like. It teaches you how to grow your own food in a small area. If you want to become more self-sufficient and produce your own food, even with limited space, then this is the magazine for you. It's perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike who are looking to maximize their yield in a small area. What people say. Maps, diagrams, charts, recipes, and more. This book has so much helpful info. Plant types, when to plant, how to use. It gives a general overview of what you can do on limited land and what the minimum space requirements are for each endeavor. It is well illustrated, not vague photos like some but rather well-drawn pictures, and is written for the layman. Even if you are an experienced gardener, you will likely find some good tips in this book. Number 4. First-Time Gardener's Guide Volume 1. Embark on a fulfilling journey into the art of vegetable gardening. This guide provides all the essential knowledge and support you need to cultivate your very own food garden. Learn the basics of planting, watering, and nurturing your plants. It's easier than you think to grow your own delicious vegetables. Experience the satisfaction of harvesting homegrown vegetables. It's a rewarding experience that connects you with nature and provides healthy, flavorful food. This guide takes you through each stage of the growing process, from selecting seeds to harvesting your mature crops. We'll help you every step of the way. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that offers fresh, healthy food and a deep connection with nature. Let this guide be your companion as you embark on this exciting adventure. This guide is full of helpful advice and practical tips to ensure your success in the garden. Learn from the experts and avoid common mistakes. Don't wait any longer to experience the joy of gardening. This guide will give you the confidence and knowledge to get started immediately. What we like. This guide provides all the information and support you need to start your vegetable garden. If you're a first-time gardener and need a helping hand, this is the perfect resource to get you started. It's full of practical advice and encouragement to help you succeed. What people say. The foundation of what every garden must have to produce food, the non-negotiables, are laid out before you, as well as the negotiables, which are the decisions you make based on your needs, your landscape conditions, and your personal preferences and creativity. The pros and cons of various options help you make well-informed decisions. It's written in a friendly, conversational style as if your gardening friend is teaching you. Number 3. Farmhouse Charm DIY. Get ready to transform your living space with simple, rustic charm. We'll show you how to create a warm and inviting atmosphere with easy DIY projects. Add warmth and texture with reclaimed wood. It's easy to incorporate into your existing decor for a cozy feel. Mason jars are incredibly versatile. Learn how to turn them into beautiful and functional lighting fixtures. Give old furniture new life with a fresh coat of paint and some simple techniques. It's amazing what a little creativity can do. Design a relaxing space with soft textiles and comfortable seating. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. Bring the outdoors in with potted plants and flowers. They add life and vibrancy to any room. What we like. It's filled with easy DIY projects to add a touch of farmhouse charm to your home. If you enjoy crafting and adding a warm, rustic touch to your living space, this magazine is for you. It offers simple projects that anyone can tackle. What people say. It has lots of DIY projects that are so easy to do, and actually look great. Great book for antiquing ideas to make items in your home feel and look naturally old. It also not only gives you ideas but gives you a detailed description of how to build and the materials needed to build it and its measurements. What's best is most of these things are easy and inexpensive. This is a good how-to book for beginning to advanced DIY. The ideas are good, the pictures bright and lovely, and it's nice to look at this without ads bombarding my phone. Number 2. Hobby Farm Animals Guide. Embark on a journey into the fulfilling world of raising livestock. This guide provides you with all the essential information you need to get started. Selecting the perfect breed for your farm is crucial. Learn about the unique characteristics of beef cattle, chickens, ducks, goats, pigs, rabbits, and sheep to make informed decisions. It's important to understand their behaviors to ensure their well-being and productivity. This guide will help you learn about their natural instincts and how to best care for them. Maintaining the health of your animals is paramount. Discover essential healthcare practices, preventative measures, and common ailments to keep your livestock thriving. Successfully breeding your animals is a key aspect of hobby farming. Learn about the breeding process, optimal timing, and essential considerations for each species. This book offers more than just animal care. It delves into the aspects of successful farming, from breed selection to daily care, ensuring your success. What we like. It provides a complete guide to raising various farm animals. If you're interested in raising livestock and need a comprehensive resource on animal care, breeding, and health, then this is the magazine for you. It covers everything from choosing the right breed to daily care. What people say. This refreshing book is a comprehensive resource for raising cattle, chickens, ducks, goats, pigs, rabbits, and sheep. Just the information I needed about raising sheep. Could not find this info in any other place. This one combines a bunch of great info in one spot. It's easy to read, highly informative, and has great pictures too. Number 1. Solar Power Guide. Are you ready to harness the sun's energy? This guide provides a simple, step-by-step process to install your own solar power system. First, we'll determine your energy needs and the ideal system size for your home. It's crucial to accurately assess your energy consumption. Next, you'll learn how to choose the right solar panels, inverters, batteries, and other essential components. We'll guide you through the selection process. This section details the installation process, from mounting the panels to connecting the system. Safety is paramount throughout the installation. Regular maintenance is key to maximizing efficiency and longevity. Learn how to inspect and clean your system to ensure optimal performance. Finally, discover the possibilities of off-grid living with your new solar power system. It's a rewarding journey towards energy independence. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a sustainable and energy-independent future. Enjoy the benefits of your new solar power system. What we like. It offers a complete guide to installing and maintaining your own solar power system. If you're looking to achieve energy independence and reduce your reliance on the grid, this magazine is a great resource. It provides a clear, step-by-step approach to solar power installation. What people say. This guide has helped my husband figure out how to install solar power right the first. It provides step-by-step instructions plus techniques and strategies to maintain it as well. This book is definitely great for those new to utilizing this power wave of the future. It's short, easy to understand, and completely comprehensive. This book has a lot of information. It starts out with an overview of electricity in general and how it works, then it gets into solar power. It will help you to decide what type of solar panels are best and how to choose a battery. There's a list of everything you'll need to install solar panels and instructions on how to do it. There's even a bonus chapter on using solar energy to charge an electric car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.